Hello everybody. Previous video we learned about the trade to territory. Today we are learning in class 8th standard history chapter 3 ruling the countryside. Let us we learn how the people, the East India Company, they started ruling in the countryside. Children, let us we are learn in the previous chapter we learn about the how they conquer the territories and ruling and make a East India Company was established. Here we are seeing on 12th of August 1765, on 12th August 1765, Mughal Emperor appointed as a Diwan of Bengal. And that time Robert Clive was the Governor General. Who was there? That time Robert Clive. Robert Clive, and in the tent of Robert Clive, how they call, see, they in the tent of Robert Clive, only few Englishmen and our other Mughal Emperor they have appointed as a Bengal. We are seeing here that time how the what they have to do. Diwan means they given the authority to look after the they want to enjoy their authority and prestige. We are seeing here revenue for company. The company already we learn about the East India Company was established. Already we learn about that East India Company look after the financial administration. Throughout the Bengal, they want to look after. The time we are seeing here, children, the regular system should be there. Revenue will be conducted in the regular should be there. That time, the company to taken from the revenue from the people with the trade. And that time, increase the revenues. Listen children, how they made it. Increase the revenues. They made the double. And that time, cotton and silk they are bringing and they are in cheap. And that time they are selling in the high prices. And that time in Bengal, 1869, the company became a double. Why? They are they bringing from the, they are taking from the cheap and selling with the high prices. That time within 5 years, the company became very double income. They financially, they have to export the gold and silver. They are making the people to buy the cotton and silk. That much the company has started to increase the revenues. We are seeing in that time after 1770, famine, big famine was across the in Bengal. Millions of people was died. Why? See, 1/3 of population, children, 1/3 of population was killed. And that time, again economical crisis up and down is there. We are seeing here that when they started, income was increased. But again in 1770 famine was there. That time, again economical was facing very horrible situation in Bengal. Now the need to improve the agriculture. That time agriculture was improved. Now trade was failed. Now they have thinking we want to improve the agriculture. Agriculture means here what they made it the permanent settlement in 1793 children. Permanent settlement. This settlement now they started the making the settlement. This settlement the revenue was fixed. Jamindar will collect the revenue from the villages and that should be very high. Jamindar will collect it. And that time most Jamindar was lost their Jamindari. They lost their properties. They not pay the taxes. They not pay the revenue to the East India Company. The land was taken by the British. Auction was taken. Means they are taking and that land goes to East India Company. That time most Jamindar became a landless. And next we will come to the problem of permanent settlement. Children, we are learning permanent, they fix. That also very high taxes. High revenue should be collected. Jamindar will collect and that is very high. The people are not able to give the tax, the Jamindar, the lands goes to East India Company. We are seeing here the revenue is very high. What are the problem they are facing? And they lost their Jamindari. This permanent settlement make Jamindari people, they are Jamindars, they lost their properties. They lost their Jamindaris. Why? Because of they have to give the high taxes. And that time new system was devised. This permanent settlement is there. After that little bit changes in that system. Here that time Hart Mackenzie in 1822, what he made it? What he made it? Little bit changes in the revenue system. Here we are learning permanent settlement, the fixed amount should be there, that also very high. But here it is not like that. This, the new system is there, that is not fixed. This periodical, according to that time, village man, head boy will collect the revenues. And that time the village man, the collectors, collectors, directors, they measure the lands. They will measure the land, according to the measure they will land, the tax will be taken from there. Revenue will collect from the people. That time Mahal. Mahal means village. Village headman will be collect the taxes. And that time revenue is not fixed. They are not fixed. According, for example, we learn here when famine was there, that time how the people will give, that time jamindari was there. But here it is not like that, children. Here what is there? The fix is not there. According to the land, the revenue was fixed. And that collected by the village, and directors, they will measure the land according to the how to pay. This new system was made it. Who? Hart Mackenzie in 1822. That time the periodical means everybody here only yearly they have to pay. Here he is not like that. Maybe periodical, 3 months, 6 months, like that we are saying. And next we see about the Monroe system, and also known as a Rotwari. This rot means cultivators. Here Captain Alexander and Thomas Monroe, he think that South India, they not have any traditional jamindars. Here we learn about the jamindars are there, they have to come. But in the South India, no traditional jamindar is there. Then who will collect the revenues? The revenues will be collected by the roters, cultivators. Directly they have to give to East India Company. Children, here the system was changed. First system, they have, first jamindar will be collect the revenues. Second, village man was headman will be collected the revenues. But in the third system, we are seeing here, the cultivator directly they have to, revenue will be given to East India Company. These are the changes in the Monroe system, where we are given, for example, South India. South India will not have any traditional jamindars are there. Because of that, they are not have the traditional jamindar. The East India Company, they are the paternal father of that jamindar.